Dear students, in this unit we will talk about condition on early Earth. Uh, in this universe, as we speak about a very famous Big Bang theory, Big Bang was actually a very huge explosion as a result of which this universe was formed some 12 or more than 12 billion years ago. So as the universe started expanding, many new stars and the planets started forming as well. So Earth was formed around 4.5 billion years ago, approximately one third the age of universe. So it's comparatively new as compared to the when we talk about the birth of this entire universe. Now there are certain theories which are present, which address that how and why this Earth was formed. But as the Earth was formed at that time, there was a very harsh and extreme condition which was present due to the volcanic activities throughout the Earth, and it created a very toxic environment. And the atmosphere was formed, and this volcanic activity also released a lot of water, and the oceans were also formed. This early environment was very hostile, temperature was too much, and no oxygen was present. Ultimately, for decades, scientists believe that the atmosphere of early Earth was highly reduced, which means that no oxygen was present and it was very hot, and there were very toxic gases was present in the atmosphere of this Earth, including methane, carbon monoxide, hydrogen sulfide, and ammonia, etc. So these oceans were very hot, and they were like a soup of different minerals and compounds present. So this was a very suitable environment for the synthesis of organic compounds such as carbohydrates, proteins, and nucleic acid, etc. These organic compounds, they started accumulating and started making even larger molecules. The early Earth also had no ozone in the beginning, and it was very hot. No free oxygen was also available, but very little oxygen started accumulating into the air, and this make feasible for anaerobic bacteria to just originate from that environment which was very hostile at that time. Anaerobic bacteria are those bacteria which don't need oxygen for survival for their metabolic activities. But as we speak, that the time passed on, different organisms which were very simple in their structure, they started originating, and in the beginning, because the environment was not favorable to support life, but when this anaerobic unicellular simplest organism, they appeared on this earth, then through the process of evolution, different unicellular organisms started appearing in the evolutionary timeline. So prokaryotes were the earlier organism which started originating in the beginning, and those prokaryotes, they resulted in the birth of eukaryotic organism which were unicellular in the beginning. But as the time changed and the evolution went on its due courses from those unicellular animals, the multicellular animals, including plants and animals and fungi, they started to appear. As these organisms started to appear, they gradually changed the environment of this planet. And the planet, as we speak, which exists, the condition which exist now, these are the result of billion of years of activity of the organism which inhabited this planet Earth.